It's a long time ago now that I used to work for an American Express company called Acuma. And we had a vice president there that had a very good question that she was teaching us to use when we're trying to close the sale, get a client to do business with us. And that question was, if I can show you a way that without a shadow of a doubt is better for you than what you're currently doing, is there any reason that you wouldn't do business with me now? And I think that's very powerful. And it kind of resonated with me this morning as I reflected back on that, thinking that now I'm fortunate enough to work online. I'm involved in a couple of online businesses. And it's that situation where you can ask yourself the question, if I can show you a way that's better for you than what you're currently doing, and I think it's that part of the question that really resonates when I'm now teaching other people how to start and run their own online businesses, which clearly I think is better for them than maybe what they're currently doing. I mean, maybe you're in a situation where perhaps you're working within the constraints of that sort of 9 to 5 environment, working for an employer, giving your time up really for the money that they then pay you. And you're not necessarily thinking about the alternatives that are out there where you can start to generate passive income, money that comes to you as a result of the investment that you put into a business when you're running an online business. So if that resonates with you in some way and perhaps you're thinking, well, I wouldn't mind earning an income from an online business without having to go to work, 9 till 5 or 8 till 6 or whatever the hours are that you work, then I'm going to encourage you to visit my website at peterboulton.com. I'll put the website address on the bottom of this video so that you've got it. And one of the things that I would encourage you to have a look at is the free video workshop, which is on the front page of my website. The free video workshop gives you access to a free video workshop, and it's hosted by a man that's a multi-millionaire, self-made, and he really made his money and actually created the lifestyle that he now enjoys running his own online business. Probably 10 years ago I think he started, and he's done exceptionally well. And the free video workshop is there to encourage other people to look at that option for themselves so that perhaps they can escape the corporate world or working for an employer, the 9 to 5 grind, as some people call it, and start really creating our own lives and creating our own incomes by running an online business. So if that sounds of interest to you, let me just encourage you to have a look at peterboulton.com. On the front page, you'll see the green button. It's clearly marked free video workshop, and just encourage you to lean in and have a look at that to find out whether maybe there's an opportunity for you to start and run your own online business. And if you feel that it's right for you, I'm very happy to support you and help you on that journey. So have a look, peterboulton.com, and perhaps we'll end up connecting and I can help and support you to start and run your own online business as well.